you want to create a cooking AI video as you just watched, make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, as I will take you step by step process on how to create this video. So let's go. The first process is to head over to ChatGPT, which is a free tool, and you can see, type in this prompt: give me 3 scenes of a dark skinned African beautiful lady cooking. Just type cooking in the okay, it's a full stop. Give me 3 scenes of a dark skinned African beautiful lady cooking. The first scene, her in the kitchen washing vegetables. Second scene of her in the kitchen cutting vegetables. Yes, cutting vegetables. And that scene of her frying the vegetables that she was cutting. That is our prompt. You can just screenshot or anything, you can just do it to do it, and add this with consistent characters of the lady in the kitchen. Okay, what else can you add? The design, the kitchen, let's say the kitchen should be a modern kitchen. And click on the arrow to send. ChatGPT some second to generate the prompt for you, and boom, these are the prompts. You can see I have the prompt for the 3 scenes that I requested, and ChatGPT gives you exact what you ask for. Just input the right scene or the right prompt so that it can give you the best. Now we need to just copy this prompt one by one and create our image. Let's copy the first prompt. Just copy the first prompt of the first scene where the lady is washing vegetables, and you can see as you copy, then go back to your browser or download an app called Pictory AI, and you can see you can sign in or sign up if you have not signed up also, and click on the third icon where it is create, and that's it to load, because you know this is just an app and my data I think they're slow. As you complete doing it, click on the third icon. I'm clicking on nothing else. Okay, the third icon, and type in on, and you can see this, describe your image. You just put the prompt there that we copied from ChatGPT. Put our URL there and then click there and input the prompt. After that, you need to look whether you added anything extra from the prompt, and then there you should set the ratio. Aspect ratio is 16:9 if you want a long form video on YouTube, and 9:16 if you want a short form video on YouTube, and click on the arrowhead there, the blue icon there, to create the image. And our image is being created. Just make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and also hit the notification bell. And you can see our image is created, and let's look at the image. Just click on the image. Once you click on the image, you shall see what you just created. Just click on the image and it will load, and you see the image in full, and that is our image. It is amazing. The kitchen is modern. The girl is an African brown girl, just as beautiful as you said, and this is awesome. I like it. And just click on it and click on the 3 dots there up and click on download, and the image will be saved on your device. That is very simple. Just hope you're following. If you are doing so, like this video, give this video a like. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our second prompt, and go on scene 2 where she is cutting vegetables, and copy the prompt. After we copy the prompt, head over back to Pictory AI where we are going to generate the image. Just click on the X arrow to go back and click on create again, and click on the prompt we copied and click on the blue icon I showed you, and remember the ratio. If you want a short form video or a long form video, it is for YouTube Shorts or TikTok and Instagram Reels. Just click on the arrow there to send it. There, click on the arrow, and boom, that now is our image being created, and you give just some seconds and the image will be ready. And that is our image there. You can see the girl, she just changed the outfit, but the kitchen is the same and everything is the same. So this is very awesome and I love it. You just click on it and click on download, and we save it on our device. Click on download and it will be saved on our device, and then you should just go back, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and come back to create our image. Just use the feature I'm using so that you can save on time. Yeah, you can see this is frying the vegetables. Copy the prompt and go back to Pictory AI and generate your image. This is very simple. As I have been telling you, these things are possible. You can do them, and they just take some seconds to create a video. To make this video an 8 minutes long is just some clips. You just need some scripts and you'll be having a long form video that will generate you money on your YouTube. Okay, I have just copied, I have pasted it on Pictory AI, and click on the blue icon so that our image will be created. Click on the blue icon and boom, that is our image. It is having created, and you can see how beautiful she is. It is consistent about the background, the images and everything. Download the image and save it on your device. That is the simple thing. Now what is left is to make this video images videos. That is the only thing left, and that is our next. Okay, to make them images, you just go to the app called Pictory. That is a free app that you are given 60 credits every day to generate videos. Yeah, you just click on the create button or icon and choose on the gallery, where you're going to choose the image you want to animate. Yes, click on add the image, allow it to access your gallery, and now choose the image you want. I want the first image where the girl is washing vegetables. Click on it, and then now use the prompt you used to create the image. The same prompt you used to create the image is the same prompt you use to generate the video. Okay, and as my case, I pinned them on my phone so that I will make this video short. And after I have pasted it, I'll just click on create. I'll just click on create and wait for my video to be generated, and I promise you this will be excellent. I'll leave the link to this app in the description of this video. Also, you can go to Play Store and download the app. It is called Pictory. Now click on me, the last icon on your phone there, and you can see your image is being created. It takes some seconds. It is very fast because it's a free tool, and you can see our video is created. Let's play the video and see how good work this app does for us. And you can see she is washing vegetables. Is that not good? Is that not awesome? It is very awesome. Click on the arrow icon and click on download, and download with watermark because you're using a free account. In this video, I'm taking you through free apps and free website that you can create videos. We don't want to spend anything here. Now go back and animate our second image, and now click on that arrow again and choose the image you want to animate. And I think is this where she's cutting vegetables. And now type the prompt. the prompt, remember to check or to arrange them according to how they are arranged, so that you cannot confuse the image and the prompt. Yeah, and you can just read along the prompt slowly and see, okay, it is the one. And after that, you just click on create, and one video is being created using 20 points, and you're given 60 points per day. So you can create 3 clips, and you can see the video is being created very fast. Now it is 50% created, and now boom, our video is created. And let's play it and see. Click on the video, and you see the video is playing. It is very well animated. That is, I love it. Click on the arrow, share arrow, and click on download, and the video will be saved on your device. I will later show you how to remove these watermarks. Okay, I will show you. It's very simple. And now let's animate our third image. Click on the image there, add the image, type in the prompt, and click on create. You read along and then click on create, and give the app some seconds to generate or to animate your beautiful image, and it will give you insane results. And that is, so you can see how it is being created faster, and our points are up. So you want to create more, you just subscribe to premium. Okay, yes, that is simple. You just subscribe, and you can see how much it costs. It is very cheap. If you want a standard and you want monthly, it is very cheap. And now our video is created, and let's play the video. That is the video, and you can see she is cooking, and the video is awesome. In fact, somebody who don't know this an AI, she believes, or he will believe, is a real video. So click on the share icon and click on download, and it will be saved to your device with a watermark. And I would show you how to remove the watermark. Now let's edit this video. Head over to CapCut. I'll use CapCut for this video, and choose the videos according to how they arrange themselves. So you just choose 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3, and click on add. And wait for CapCut to add them to the project. And you can see now our video is added, or our clips are added there, and what is left is just to add the audio or the sound effects to make it sound real. It's AI, but it will sound real. Okay, let's play it and see whether they are arranging themselves well, and that is good, because I'm using CapCut free. That is why there is this watermark. I'll just edit, click and delete it, and now I want us to add some sound effects. And to do that, you just click on sound, add sound. Click on add sound there, and click on sound effects, and there is a threading. And now you are going to type here, we are going to type flowing water in a tap. I think that will work. Let's type that. Flowing water in a tap, and click on continue, and play some and feel which is good. There's that, there is that. You can hear them, and you choose for yourself the best of all. There's that one. There is that one. Okay guys, help me choose which is the best, but you just choose according to your choice, the one that you feel that it aligns with whatever the video is your choice. But the result, I think you found the result were good, so I'll just choose one of them because I cannot choose all of them. Choose one of them, play some, and choose one of them. And as for me, I will add that. I like it's good, and play it in here. And as you can see, you can hear it is good and it appears very well. Now because it's longer than the clip where you are using water, you just maximize there and then cut that part and delete. Okay, now the second one, you are going to add this knife cutting sound effects. Now click on sound effects and we write what? Cutting vegetables or cutting onions, something like that. Yeah, cutting onions. And that you can see all the sound effects that we upload, and there are a lot of them. Play them along and feel which best fits you. Okay, and that is best, and play it and you can hear that it sounds very well. It is also longer than the clip. You just cut the extra part. I have shown you how to edit it. You can also reduce the pitch or the speed if you want. If you feel it's too fast, you reduce it. If it is too slow, you make it too fast. They're using this speed feature on CapCut app. Okay, and after I receive that part, I'll just cut that part. Click on clip and then delete. Now the last one is where fire lighting and something cooking. I don't know what you are going to search for, but let's click on sound effects and light cooking. Cooking food. We should write cooking food. Yeah, that is good. Let's like cooking food and click on play on OK, and you can see there is the cooking fire. There is a lot of them. Let's message it and light on cooking. Cooking food cooking. Okay, food cooking will be the best because it's food that is cooking, not cooking food. And I think we are going to get the best sound effects here. I'm showing you this step by step. I don't want to edit so much so that you can be having everything you want on the table. So you can see cooking, and just return on them and choose the best suit you, because not all food cook the same. But this one, they are cooking on a pan, they are being fried, so it is the oil sound and the fire and cracking sound of the food, and I think this is the best. But it's very short. Where there is the audio, it's a short part, so just clip there and cut it, play the whole video and hear how it sounds, because you want to come out with a good result. You want to come out with something that will go viral. You want to come out with something that will please people and they will watch it. So you can play it and you hear it's fine, it's good. After that, you just edit the video where or else you want. If you want to add a background music, you add, and then after that you export the video out of YouTube, okay, out of CapCut. So if you watch this video to this point, thank you, and give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell. We'll meet in our next video. I'll be showing you more videos about creating AI content, making money online, YouTube growth, and streaming up. Let's meet in the next video. I love you all.